every great product, there is a story of challenges. And our promise of excellence. From your assembly needs to a customized machine. Moving with accuracy, placing with intent. Brushless-driven systems for loading and transfer operations. With synchronized motion and complete control. All operations mastered. From handling to welding, marking to screwing, we translate your specifications into reliable, repeatable performance. Quality is not checked, it's guaranteed. Smart control systems test every function, every detail, every time. CB Automation, engineering precision, delivering solutions.